Hi everyone, let's learn about Introduction to Data Models in DBMS in this video. What is a data model? A data model is a conceptual framework that describes how data is stored, organized, and manipulated in database. It defines the logical structure of a database, including the data, relationships among them, and their constraints. Overall, a data model serves as a blueprint for creating and managing a database. There are different types of data models. Here we discuss about hierarchical model, network model, relational model, and ER model. First of all, we discuss about hierarchical data model. A hierarchical data model is one of the earliest data models where data is organized into a tree-like structure. This model establishes a parent-child relationship among data elements where each child node has only one parent, but a parent can have multiple children. Now look here, this is an example of hierarchical model. It is a tree-like structure. Here the company node is a root node. Let's consider the node department. It has only a single parent, that is the company node, and multiple children, employee 1 and employee 2. If we consider the project node also, it has only a single parent. That's what we have told earlier. In hierarchical model, every node has only a single parent but can have more than one children. The next data model is network data model. The network data model is a database model that organizes data using a graph-like structure consisting of nodes and edges. It is designed to manage complex relationships by allowing multiple parent-child relationships. This model is an extension of the hierarchical model, providing more flexibility by removing the strict single parent rule. This is an example of network model. It is a graph-like structure and the strict single parent rule is removed here. Look here, the node student has multiple parents, that is library, office, staff rooms. Relational model. Relational model, data is represented in the form of tables with rows and columns. These tables are also called relations, rows are called tuples or records, and columns are called attributes or fields. The relationship between the tables rely on keys. There are different kinds of keys used in a relational model: primary key, foreign key, super key, candidate key, etc., which will be explained in the coming videos. This is how data is represented using a relational model. Here the table represents the relation student with attributes roll number, name, and department. ER model. ER model is entity relationship model. It is a graphical representation of data as entities, attributes, and relationships. It is used for database design before implementing the database in a database management system. Database structure is portrayed as a diagram called ER diagram. In an ER diagram, entities are represented using rectangles, attributes are represented using ellipse, relations are represented using rhombus. This is an example of ER diagram. Here, teacher and course are the entities with attributes teacher name and course ID. Teachers is a relation between teacher and course. The entities here, teacher and course, are represented using rectangles. Attributes teacher name, course ID are represented using ellipse, and the relation teachers is represented using a rhombus. Thank you for watching.